Hey guys, today we are going to go and take my car, which is a 1979 Ford Thunderbird, through emissions testing, and I thought I would take you there as well. I'm not so sure I've ever showed this car on this channel. I do have another channel called As Normal As It Gets, and I know I have posted repairs and stuff that I have done on the Thunderbird on that channel, but I'm not sure that I ever have on this channel. If I have, maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going to show you the Thunderbird, and then we are going to head to emissions and hope that it passes. Okay, here is my 1979 Ford Thunderbird. I think it's got like 84,000 miles on it, original miles on it. This used to be my parents' car, and now it is mine. Unfortunately, you can see the flagpole, shadow of it, but other than that, you can see it's a very nice car. It does need to be cleaned up. It's getting a little dirty right now, but we're going to go in and fire it up, and I'll show you the engine real quick as well. So as you can see, we are in the inside of the car right now. I did want to show you that this right here, this was having some clicking, and I thought it was actually inside of here. But I took it into a place that I have work on it occasionally, and they found out that the coupling to the gearbox, or to the gearbox, is what needed to replace. So that is now fixed. But I took this pad off right here, looking to see if it was something that I could fix, thinking it was in there. But I just left it off while they worked on it anyways, so that they didn't have to pull it off if they needed to. But I'm going to show you a picture right now of what I found when I removed this pad. So here is what I found when I took the steering wheel cover off, or the pad, I guess you call it. And as you can see, the bottom, that is what the plastic underneath the pad was like. Actually, it was still kind of in together, but fell apart as I took it apart. And then above, the black piece up above, is where I was able to find a piece on eBay, and it was a brand new part. The only difference was that it's black, but that doesn't really matter because you don't see what color it is underneath the pad. So I'm really happy that I was able to get this fixed and find a new part just like it. I'm going to start the engine now, and then I will show you what the engine looks like briefly before we head on out. Now, one other thing that I have done to this car is behind here, all these gauges were falling down, and fortunately on eBay, I got a new, basically a cluster plastic cluster holder. 41 years of this car, and the Arizona heat kills it. As far as the plastic, it just disintegrates. And as you saw in the other picture of the steering, inside the steering wheel there, it was the same situation. So you know, in Arizona, cars hold up well as far as the overall condition of the car and rust and that kind of thing. However, the heat cannot do any favors for plastic. So anyways, oh, one other thing is right here. This is the air conditioning heater in that, and this whole module deal, it is broken. Just one of these switches is broken. So I got a part off of eBay, and I'm going to actually just take just the part that I need, because this faceplate looks much better than the original one, looks much better. So I'm just going to take the part off of it that I need to, and then repair that, and then hopefully I'll have air conditioning. So today we are going to be without air conditioning as it's been with this car, and then hopefully I can get that fixed. I'm trying to get this thing fixed, this car fixed, little by little. It is in very good shape, but you know, I'd at least like to do a partial restoration on it, if not fully someday. If I had the money, I would do the whole thing, because I do really like this car. So let's go look at the engine like I had said earlier. Well, here is the engine. It is a 302 V8, which is the 5.0 liter engine. And it looks pretty good. I've given it a save and all. bit of grease and oil on it, but other than that, it's been a very good car over the years. My parents bought it. They had about 2,000 miles on it. It was a leased vehicle, and the back seat still had plastic in it, so basically a new car. So we just came in over there, and I thought I was videoing and wasn't, and now we are in line right here, and it says full service. This is all vehicles, because depending on the year, depends on which lane you get in. The T-Bird made it through emissions and passed very well, and I'd show you the paper, but it's got a lot of personal information on it, so chose not to do that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it, and that always makes your day, because when you have a car that fails all the time, it is not fun. I stopped by this Carl's Jr. behind me, and I want to show you on the other side of this building what I found. Also, this bird behind me is making a lot of noise. He's happy, I guess. Well, I went to eat at Carl's Jr. and saw this car sitting in the parking lot. Pretty unusual. It's from Florida. It's all smashed up, and the whole front is gone. The engine's gone. Pretty weird. And here's what it says on it. I apologize what it looks like. Need a light wash. Will be picked up on Monday. Pretty interesting. That was pretty interesting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, there are a lot more of these videos to come. Make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.